show with me, Maren.
I'm Maureen.
So today we are going to be talking about a very interesting topic. We are going to be talking about different types of twins. I bet most of you only know 2 different types of twins, but we are actually going to tell you 7 different types of twins. They are not 2, they are 7.
7
to start with. So I'm going to start off with identical twins, as you can see right here. So identical twins, these are twins that are genetically identical and they come from one egg and one sperm, but this egg broke into 2.
Yeah, they can either be girls or boys.
They are the same sex, not different sex.
Yeah.
Same sex. The second type of twins, which is probably the last type you know, but they are not the last type of twins, we are going to be talking about the fraternal type of twins. Now, fraternal twins are different sex, a boy and a girl. Normally, they are not the same sex, and also they have different types. I mean, they have different DNA. Yeah, they have different DNA. Oh, the third type of twins are the mirror image twins. So these are almost like the identical twins, but they're not exactly identical twins. So they are more identical than us. And then they're called mirror image twins because half of their bodies are reversed. Like for example, when you cut me into half, my right side of the body is exactly identical to Maren's left side of the body.
Yeah.
I have my heart on my right side and Maren has her heart on the left side. I have my hearing abilities on the right side, and most of her hearing abilities are on the left side. And then normally there's a food chain. Let me just inform you real quick. There's a food chain normally, and a food chain of twins, but don't say it right now, say it after the show.
Yeah,
most
stick to
important,
the end.
the less important type of twins and the superior types of twins. So stick to the end to find out.
Yeah.
So the fourth type of twin I'm going to be talking about, half identical twins. I don't know if you've ever heard of such a term, but I don't think so. Anyway, they are half identical type of twins. This type of twins are the kind that have half of their gene is for the identical twins, and then the other half of their gene is for the fraternal twins.
Yeah.
So they comprise of both fraternal and identical twins. But they are not called fraternal or identical.
They are called
Half identical twins because they are not completely identical twins. Yeah, the next type of twins, that is the fifth type. Yeah, the fifth type of twins is the mixed chromosome twins. So in this type of twinning, there are 2 eggs. They are fertilized by 2 sperms, and this causes them to have different chromosomes. That is the X and Y chromosome. That's the mixed chromosome twins.
Yeah.
The 6th type of twins, I'm going to be talking about the superfetation types of twins. Now, what is superfetation type of twins? Very interesting. This is the kind of pregnancy that occurs when already conception has taken place. For example, or in simple terms, when another pregnancy is already in place. How interesting. Yeah, so superfetation type of twins, basically, for example, let's say I become intimate with a partner, right? And then conception takes place, right? My egg becomes fertilized, and then maybe during the week or next week, or maybe just that difference, the difference in time, you know.
Yeah.
And then I go and be intimate again, and then another egg becomes fertilized. So you know, I'll give birth at the same time, babies. Yeah, to 2 babies. That is why it's called superfetation twins.
Yeah.
And certainly last but not least, the superfecundation. Fecundation. The word is really difficult, but we're going to write it down there so you can see. Superfecundation, something like that. Superfecundation twins. So in this type of twinning, have you ever seen a scenario where children are twins, but one is black, one is white? Yeah, so that is they sort of appear to be opposite.
Yeah, but they're identical. So a good scenario was in America 1810, where a woman slept with two men. One was a white man, another one was a black man, but she was expecting twins. When she gave birth, her twins, one was white, the other one was black. So they have two fathers. Yeah, so the white child belonged to the white man and the black child belonged to the black man. So that is the superfecundation twins.
And then, before we finish, as promised, we wanted to tell you about the food chain.
Oh, the food chain, yeah.
So, we wanted to tell you about the food chain, right? Okay, I stand to be corrected.
Yeah, and
but from experience,
we don't also want to seem
insult.
like
To insult anybody
or seem like we are, dismissing anybody.
Yeah. But at the top of the food chain, normally consider this the
Identical twins / mirror image twins.
We are at the top of the food chain.
You just know that I don't want to, what is it called? Offend my other twin friends. So I'm just going to say identical twins are at the top of the food chain. So you go look for the rest that follow.
Exactly. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscription button below,
and you can also like our video for us.
Yeah, and if you've not, you can also turn on the notification button to know when we are posting the next video.
And if you have a comment finally on what we should do about other videos that
you want us to do,
we'll also cover that. So thank you very much for watching.
Bye.